never seen it like this. They ain't never seen it like this. This like this. Never seen it like this. This like this. They ain't never seen it like this.
That demo was awesome. Across Pixel and Android, we're making huge strides with large screen devices. And we can't wait to get Pixel Tablet and Pixel Fold hands. And you're not going to have to wait too long. You can pre-order Pixel Fold starting today, and it'll ship next month.
$1800 का Pixel Fold launch किया, good price, good बोल सकते हैं और नहीं भी.
And you'll get the most out of our first ultra premium foldable
लगभग
by
same
pairing
price
it
है.
with Pixel Watch. So when you pre-order a Pixel Fold, you'll also get a Pixel Watch on us.
Pixel Watch free दे रहे हैं भाई, सही प्राइस है. मतलब इससे तो सस्ता ऑलमोस्ट पड़ जाएगा.
The Pixel family continues to grow into the most dynamic mobile hardware portfolio in the market today. From a broad selection of smartphones to watches, earbuds, and now tablets and foldables, there are more ways than ever to experience the helpfulness Pixel's known for, wherever and whenever you need it. Now let me pass it back to Sundar. Thanks, everyone.
Physical entities. So, all right. Now that we've
First, by improving your knowledge and learning and deepening your understanding of the world. Second, by boosting creativity and productivity. You can express yourself and get things done. Third, by enabling developers and businesses to build their own transformative products and services. And finally, by building and deploying AI responsibly so that everyone can benefit equally. We are so excited by the opportunities ahead. Our ability to make AI helpful for everyone relies on continuously advancing our foundation models. So I want to take a moment to share how we are approaching them. Last year, you heard us talk about PaLM, which led to many improvements across our products. Today, we are ready to announce our latest PaLM model in production, PaLM 2. PaLM 2 builds on our fundamental research and our latest infrastructure. It's highly capable at a wide range of tasks and easy to deploy. We are announcing over 25 products and features powered by PaLM 2 today. PaLM 2 models deliver excellent foundational capabilities across a wide range of sizes. We have affectionately named them Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn. Gecko is so lightweight that it can work on mobile devices, fast enough for great interactive applications on device, even when offline. PaLM 2 models are stronger in logic and reasoning, thanks to broad training on scientific and mathematical topics. It's also trained on multilingual text, spanning over 100 languages, so it understands and generates nuanced results. Combined with powerful coding capabilities, PaLM 2 can also help developers collaborating around the world. Let's look at this example. Let's say you're working with a colleague in Seoul and you're debugging code. You can ask it to fix a bug and help out your teammate by adding comments in Korean to the code. It first recognizes the code is recursive, suggests a fix, and even explains the reasoning behind the fix.
Of ChatGPT
and as you see,
from
it
Google
added comments in Korean just like you asked.
भाई गूगल भी अपना जो है
While Palm 2 is highly capable, it really shines when fine-tuned on domain-specific knowledge. We recently released SecPalm, a version of Palm 2 fine-tuned for security use cases. It uses AI to better detect malicious scripts and can help security experts understand and resolve threats. Another example is MedPalm 2. In this case, it's fine-tuned on medical knowledge. This fine-tuning achieved a 9x reduction in inaccurate decade-long journey. Synthetically generated content whenever you encounter it. Two important approaches are watermarking and metadata. Watermarking embeds information directly into content in ways that are maintained even through modest image editing. Moving forward, we are building our models to include watermark.
The second way we're helping you take advantage of these opportunities by introducing Duet AI for Google Cloud.
And bring smartphones to everyone. And as we all add more devices to our lives, like tablets, TVs, cars, and more, this openness creates the freedom to choose the devices that work best for you. Seen the benefits of using AI to improve experiences at scale. For example, this past year, Android used AI models to protect users from more than 100 billion suspected spam messages and calls. We can all agree that's pretty useful. There are so many opportunities where AI can just make things better. Today, we'll talk about two big ways Android is bringing that benefit of computing to everyone. First, continuing to connect you.
Emojis are such a fun and simple way of expressing yourself, so we thought, wouldn't it cool to bring them to your wallpaper? So with emoji wallpapers, you choose your favorite combination of emoji, pick the perfect pattern, and then find just the right color to bring them all together. So let's take a look. And I'm not going to use the laptops. I'm going to use a phone. All right. So let's see. I'm going to go into the wallpaper picker, and I'm going to tap on the new option for emojis. And I'm feeling in a kind of, I don't know, zany mood with all you people looking at me. So I'm going to pick this guy, and let's see, who else is in here? This one looks pretty cool, like the 8-bit one. And obviously that one. Somebody said there was a duck on stage earlier, so let's go find a duck. Hello, duck. Where's the duck? Can anyone see a duck? Where's the duck gone? There's a duck. All right, there he is. We got some ducks. Okay, cool. And then pattern-wise, we got a bunch of different patterns you can pick. I'm going to pick Mosaic. That's my favorite. I'm going to play with the zoom. Let's see, we'll get this just right. Okay, I got enough ducks in there. Okay, cool. And then colors, let's see. Ooh, that pops. Let's go with a more muted one. Or maybe that one. That one looks good. That looks good. I like that one. All right, select that, set the wallpaper, and then I go home. Looks pretty cool, huh? And the little emojis, they react when you tap them, which I find I find this unusually satisfying. And how much time have I got? Okay, we'll move on. Okay, so of course, many of us like to use a favorite photo for our wallpaper. And so with the new cinematic wallpaper feature, you can create a stunning 3D image from any regular photo and then use it as your wallpaper. So let's take a look. So this time I'm going to go into my photos, and I really like this photo of my daughter. So let me select that. And you'll notice there's a sparkle icon at the top. So if I tap that, I get a new option for cinematic wallpaper. So let me activate that and then wait for it. Boom. Okay. Now, under the hood, we're using an on-device convolutional neural network to estimate depth and then a generative adversarial network for in-painting as the background moves. The result is a beautiful cinematic 3D photo. So then let me set the wallpaper, and then I'm going to return home. And check out the parallax effect as I tilt the device. It literally jumps off the screen. So both cinematic wallpapers and emoji wallpapers are coming first to Pixel devices next month. So let's say you don't have the perfect wallpaper photo handy, or you just want to have fun and create something new. With our new generative AI wallpapers, you choose what inspires you, and then we create a beautiful wallpaper to fit your vision. So let's take a look. So this time, I'm going to go and select Create a Wallpaper with AI. And I like classic art, so let me tap that. Now, you'll notice at the bottom, we use structured prompts to make it easier to create. So for example, I can pick, what am I going to do? City by the Bay in a post-impressionist style. Cool. And I tap Create Wallpaper. Nice. Now, behind the scenes, we're using Google's text-to-image diffusion models to generate completely new and original wallpapers. And I can swipe through and see all the different options that it's created. And some of these look really cool, right? So let me pick this one. I like this one. So I'll select that, set the wallpaper, and then return home. Cool. So now, out of the billions of Android phones in the world, no other phone will be quite like mine. And thanks to Material U, you can see that the system's color palette is automatically adapted to match the wallpaper I created. Generative AI wallpapers will become this fall. So from a thriving ecosystem of devices to AI-powered expression, there is so much going on right now in Android. Okay, Rick is up next to show you how this Android innovation is coming to life in the Pixel family of devices. Thank you.
The pace of AI innovation over the past year has been astounding. As you heard Sundar talk about earlier, new advances are transforming everything from creativity and productivity to knowledge and learning. Now let's talk about what that innovation means for Pixel, which has been leading the way in AI-driven hardware experiences for years. Now, from the beginning, Pixel was conceived as an AI-first mobile computer, bringing together all the amazing breakthroughs across the company and putting them into a Google device you can hold in your hand. Other phones have AI features, but Pixel is the only phone with AI at the center. And I mean that literally. The Google Tensor G2 chip is custom designed to put Google's leading edge AI research to work in our Pixel devices. By combining Tensor's on-device intelligence with Google's AI in the cloud, Pixel delivers truly personal AI. Your device adapts to your own needs and preferences, and it anticipates how it can help you save time and get more done. This personal AI enables all those helpful experiences that Pixel's known for that aren't available on any other mobile device, like Pixel Call Assist, which helps you avoid long hold times, navigate phone tree menus, ignore the calls you don't want, and get better sound quality on the calls you do want. Personal AI also enables helpful Pixel speech experiences. On-device machine learning translates different languages for you, transcribes conversations in real time, and understands how you talk and type. And you're protected with Pixel Safe, a collection of features that keep you safe online and in the real world. And of course, there's Pixel Camera. It understands faces, expressions, and skin tones to better depict you and the people you care about, so your photos will always look amazing. We're also constantly working to make Pixel Camera more inclusive and more accessible with features like real tone and guided frame. Pixel experiences continue to be completely unique in mobile computing. And that's because Pixel's the only phone engineered end-to-end by Google, and the only phone that combines Google Tensor, Android, and AI. With this combination of hardware and software, Pixel lets you experience all those incredible new AI-powered features you saw today in one place. For example, the new Magic Editor in Google Photos that Sundar showed you, it'll be available for early access to select Pixel phones later this year, opening up a whole new avenue of creativity with your photos. And Dave just showed you how Android's adding depth to how you can express yourself with generative AI wallpapers. And across Search, Workspace, and Bard, new features powered by large language models can spark your imagination, make big tasks more manageable, and help you find better answers to everyday questions, all from your Pixel device. We have so many more exciting developments in the space, and we can't wait to show you more in the coming months. Now, it's probably no surprise that as AI keeps getting more and more helpful, our Pixel portfolio keeps growing in popularity. Last year's Pixel devices are our most popular generation yet, with both users and respected reviewers and analysts. Our Pixel phones won multiple Phone of the Year awards. Yes, thank you. And in the premium smartphone category, Google is the fastest growing OEM in our markets. One of our more popular products is the Pixel A series, which delivers incredible, thank you. I'm glad you like it. It delivers incredible Pixel performance in a very affordable device. And to continue the I/O tradition, let me show you the newest member of our A series. Today, we're completely upgrading everything you love about our A series with the gorgeous new Pixel 7a. Like all Pixel 7 series devices, Pixel 7a is powered by our flagship Google Tensor G2 chip, and it's paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, which ensures Pixel 7a delivers best-in-class performance and intelligence. And you're gonna love the camera. The 7a takes the crown from 6a as the highest rated camera in its class, with the biggest upgrade ever to our A series camera hardware, including a 72% bigger main camera sensor. Now here's the best part. Pixel 7a is available today, starting at $499. It's an unbeatable combination of design, performance, and photography, all at a great value. And you can check out the entire Pixel 7a lineup on the Google Store, including our exclusive coral color. Now, next up, we're going to show you how we're continuing to expand the Pixel portfolio into new form factors. Yeah. Like foldables and tablets. You can see them right there. It's a complete ecosystem of AI-powered devices engineered by Google. Here's Rose to show you what a larger screen Pixel can do for you.
Okay, let's talk tablets, which have been a little bit frustrating. It's always hard to know where they fit in, and they haven't really changed in the past 10 years. A lot of times they're sitting forgotten in the drawer, and that one moment you need it, it is out of battery. We believe tablets and large screens in general still have a lot of potential. So we set out to build something different, making big investments across Google Apps, Android, and Pixel to reimagine how large screens can deliver a more helpful experience. Pixel Tablet is the only tablet engineered by Google and designed specifically to be helpful in your hand and in the place they are used the most, the home. We designed the Pixel Tablet to uniquely deliver helpful Pixel experiences, and that starts with great hardware. A beautiful 11-inch high-resolution display with crisp audio from the 4 built-in speakers. A premium aluminum enclosure with a nano-ceramic coating that feels great in the hand and is cool to the touch. The world's best Android experience on the tablet, powered by Google Tensor G2 for long-lasting battery life and cutting-edge personal AI. For example, with Tensor G2, we optimized the Pixel camera specifically for video calling. Tablets are fantastic video calling devices. And with Pixel Tablet, you are always in frame, in focus, and looking your best. The large screen makes Pixel Tablet the best Pixel device for editing photos with AI-powered tools like Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur. Now, typing on a tablet can be so frustrating. With Pixel Speech and Tensor G2, we have the best voice recognition, making voice typing nearly 3 times faster than tapping. And as Samir mentioned, we've been making huge investments to create great app experiences for larger screens, including more than 50 of our own apps. With Pixel Tablet, you're getting great tablet hardware with great tablet apps. But we saw an opportunity to make the tablet even more helpful in the home. So we engineered a first of its kind charging speaker dock. Woo! It gives the tablet a home. And now you never have to worry about it being charged. Pixel Tablet is always ready to help 24/7. When it's docked, the new Hub mode turns Pixel Tablet into a beautiful digital photo frame, a powerful smart home controller, a voice-activated helper, and a shared entertainment device. It feels like a smart display, but has one huge advantage. With the ultra-fast fingerprint sensor, I can quickly unlock the device and get immediate access to all my favorite Android apps. So I can quickly find the recipe with Side Chef, or discover a new podcast on Spotify, or find something to watch with the tablet-optimized Google TV app. Your media is going to look and sound great with room-filling sound from the charging speaker dock. Pixel Tablet is also the ultimate way to control your smart home. And that starts with a new redesigned Google Home app. It looks great on Pixel Tablet, and it brings together over 80,000 supported smart home devices, including all of your Matter-enabled devices. We also made it really easy to access your smart home controls directly from Hub mode. With the new home panel, any family member can quickly adjust the lights, lock the doors, or see if a package was delivered. Or if you're lazy like me, you can just use your voice. Now, we know that tablets are often shared, so a tablet for the home needs to support multiple users. Pixel Tablet makes switching between users super easy, so you get your own apps and your own content while maintaining your privacy. And my favorite part, it is so easy to move content between devices. Pixel Tablet is the first tablet with Chromecast built in. So with a few taps, I can easily cast some music or my favorite show from my phone to the tablet. And then I can just take the tablet off the dock and keep listening or watching all around the house. We designed a new type of case for Pixel Tablet that solves the pain of flimsy tablet cases. It has a built-in stand that provides continuous flexibility and is sturdy at all angles. So you can confidently use your tablet anywhere, on the plane, in bed, or in the kitchen. The case easily docks, you never have to take it off to charge. And it's just another example of how we can make the tablet experience even more helpful. The new Pixel tablet comes in 3 colors. It is available for pre-order today and ships next month starting at just $4.99. And the best part, every Pixel tablet comes bundled with the 129 charging speaker dock for free. It is truly the best tablet in your hand and in your home. To give you an idea of just how helpful Pixel Tablet can be, we asked TV personality Michelle Buteau to put it to the test. Let's see how that went.
When Google asked me to spend the day with this tablet, I was a little apprehensive because I'm not a tech person. I don't know how things work all the time. But I'm a woman in STEM now. Some days I could barely find the floor, let alone a charger for something. So when the Google folks said something about a tablet that docks, I was like, okay then, Google, prove it. I'm on average 2 to 5 meetings a day. Today I got stuck on all these features, honey, the 360 of it all. The last time I was around this much sand, some of it got caught in my belly button and I had a pearl 2 weeks later. Look, there's a bird. So this is what I loved about my me time today. 6 shows just popped up based off of my preferences. And they were like, hey girl. I would have made it funnier, but that was good. My husband is actually a photographer, so I have to rely on him to make everything nice and pretty. But now, I love this picture of me and my son, but there's a boom mic there. Look, it's right here. You see this one? Get this mic. You see that? Magic eraser, a circle or brush. I'm gonna do both. Boom! How cute is that? And so I hope not only you guys are happy with me reviewing this, but that you'll also give me one. Because, I mean, you're getting tired, right? You're not? Okay. Because I am.
That's a pretty good first review. Now, tablets aren't the only large screen device we want to show you today. It's been really exciting to see foldables take off over the past few years. Android's driven so much innovation in this new form factor, and we see tremendous potential here. We've heard from our users that the Dream Foldable should have a versatile form factor, making it great to use both folded and unfolded. It should also have a flagship level camera system that truly takes advantage of the unique design. And an app experience that's fluid and seamless across both screens. Creating a foldable like that, it really means pushing the envelope with state-of-the-art technology. And that means an ultra-premium $17.99 device. Now to get there, we've been working closely with our Android colleagues to create a new standard for foldable technology. Introducing Google Pixel Fold. It combines Tensor G2, Android innovation, and AI for an incredible phone that unfolds into an incredible compact tablet. It's the only foldable engineered by Google to adapt to how you want to use it, with a familiar front display that works great when it's folded, and when it's unfolded, It's our thinnest phone yet, and the thinnest foldable on the market. Now to get there, we had to pack a flagship level phone into nearly half the thickness, which meant completely redesigning components like the telephoto lens and the battery and a lot more. So it can fold up and it can fit in your pocket and retain that familiar smartphone silhouette when it's in your hand. But Pixel Fold has 3 times the screen space of a normal phone. You unfold it and you're treated to an expansive 7.6-inch display that opens flat with a custom 180-degree fluid friction hinge. So you're getting the best of both worlds. It's a powerful smartphone when it's convenient and an immersive tablet when you need one. And like every phone we make, Pixel Fold is built to last. We've extensively tested the hinge to be the most durable of any foldable. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects it from exterior scratches, while the IPX8 water-resistant design safeguards against the weather. And as you'd expect from a Pixel device, Pixel Fold gives you entirely new ways to take stunning photos and videos with Pixel Camera. You put the camera in tabletop mode to capture the stars, and you can get closer with the best zoom on a foldable, and use the best camera on the phone for your selfies. The unique combination of form factor, triple rear camera hardware, and personal AI with Tensor G2 make it the best foldable camera system. Now, there's so many experiences that feel even more natural with the Pixel Fold. One is the dual screen interpreter mode. Your Pixel Fold can use both displays. Both displays. To provide a live translation to you and the person you're talking to. So it's really easy to connect across languages. And powering all of this is Google Tensor G2. Pixel Fold has all the personal AI features you'd expect from a top-of-the-line Pixel device, including safety, speech, and call assist. Plus, it's got great performance for on-the-go multitasking and entertainment. And the entire foldable experience is built on Android. So let's get Dave back out here to show you the latest improvements to Android you'll get to experience on a Pixel Fold.
All right, thanks, Rick. From new form factors and customizability to biometrics and computational photography, Android has always been at the forefront of mobile industry breakthroughs. And recently, we've been working on a ton of features and improvements for large screen devices like tablets and foldables. So, who thinks we should try a bunch of live demos on the new Pixel Fold? All right, let's do it. It starts the second I unfold the device with this stunning wallpaper animation. And the hinge sensor is actually driving the animation, and it's a subtle thing, but it makes the device feel so dynamic and alive. Yeah, I just love that. All right, so let's go back to the folded state, and I'm looking at Google Photos of a recent snowboarding trip. Now, the scenery is really beautiful, so I want to show you on the big screen. I just open my phone, and the video instantly expands into this gorgeous full-screen view. We call this feature continuity, and we've obsessed over every millisecond it takes for apps to seamlessly adapt from the small screen to the larger screen. Now, all work and no play makes Davey a dull boy. So I'm going to message my buddy about getting back out on the mountain. I can just swipe to bring up the new Android taskbar, then drag Google Messages to the side to enter split screen mode. And to inspire my buddy, I'm going to send them a photo, so I can just drag and drop from Google Photos right into my message, like so. And thanks to the new Jetpack drag and drop library, this is now supported in a wide variety of apps, from Workspace to WhatsApp. You'll notice we've made a bunch of improvements throughout the OS to take advantage of the larger screen. So for example, here's the new split keyboard for faster typing. And if I pull down from the top, you'll notice the new 2-panel shade showing both my notifications and my quick settings at the same time. Now, Pixel Fold is great for productivity on the go. And if I swipe up into Overview, you'll notice that we now keep the multitasking windows paired. And for example, I was working on a Google Docs and Slides earlier to prep for this keynote. And I think I've followed most of these tips so far, but I'm not quite done yet. I've been warned, by the way. Anyway, I can even adjust the split to suit the content that I'm viewing. And working this way, it's like having a dual monitor set up in the palm of my hand, allowing me to do 2 things at once. Which reminds me, I should probably send Rick a quick note. So I'll open Gmail. And I don't have a lot of time, so I'm going to use the new Help Me Write feature. So let's try this out. Don't cheer yet. Let's see if it works. Okay, Rick, congrats on, what are we going to call this? Pixel Fold launch. Amazing with Android. Okay. And then I probably should say Dave, not Andrew, Android. Dave. It's hard to type with all you people looking at me. All right. Now, by the power of large language models, allow me to elaborate. Dear Rick, congratulations on the successful launch of Pixel Fold. I'm really impressed with the device and how well it integrates Android. The foldable screen is a game changer, and I can't wait to see what you do with it. All right, that's productivity, but there's more. The Pixel Fold is also an awesome entertainment device, and YouTube is just a really great showcase for this. So let's start watching this video on the big screen. Now, look what happens when I fold the device at right angles. YouTube enters what we call tabletop mode, so that the video plays on the top half, and then we're working on adding playback controls to the bottom half for an awesome single-handed lean-back experience. And the video just keeps playing fluidly through these transitions without losing a beat. Okay, one last thing. We're adding support for switching displays from within an app. And Pixel Fold's camera is a really great example of that. Now, by the way, say hi to Julie behind me. She's the real star of this show. So Pixel Fold has this new button on the bottom right. So I'm going to tap this, and it means I can move the viewfinder to the outside screen. So let me turn the device around. Okay, so why is this interesting? Well, it means that the viewfinder is now beside the rear camera system. And that means I can get a high quality, ultra wide, amazing selfie with the best camera on the device. Speaking of which, and you knew where this was going, smile everybody, you look awesome. I always wanted to do that at Google I/O keynote. All right. All right, so what you're seeing here is the culmination of several years of work, in fact, on large screens, spanning the Android OS and the most popular apps on the Play Store. All this work comes alive on the amazing new Pixel tablet and Pixel Fold. Check out this video. Thank you.
They ain't never seen it like this. They ain't never seen it like this. This, like this, never seen it like this. This, like this. They ain't never seen it like this.
That demo was awesome. Across Pixel and Android, we're making huge strides with large screen devices. And we can't wait to get Pixel Tablet and Pixel Fold into your hands. And you're not going to have to wait too long. You can pre-order Pixel Fold starting today, and it'll ship next month. And you'll get the most out of our first ultra premium foldable by pairing it with Pixel Watch. So when you pre-order a Pixel Fold, you'll also get a Pixel Watch on us. The Pixel family continues to grow into the most dynamic mobile hardware portfolio in the market today. From a broad selection of smartphones to watches, earbuds, and now tablets and foldables, there are more ways than ever to experience the helpfulness Pixel's known for, wherever and whenever you need it. Now let me pass it back to Sundar. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Rick. I'm really enjoying the new tablet and the first Pixel foldable phone. And I'm proud of the progress Android is driving across the ecosystem. As we wrap up, I've been reflecting on the big technology shifts that we've all been a part of. The shift with AI is as big as they come, and that's why it's so important that we make AI helpful for everyone. We are approaching it boldly with a sense of excitement, because as we look ahead, Google's deep understanding of information, combined with the capabilities of generative AI, can transform search and all of our products yet again. And we are doing this responsibly in a way that underscores the deep commitment we feel to get it right. No one company can do this alone. Our developer community will be key to unlocking the enormous opportunities ahead. We look forward to working together and building together. So on behalf of all of us at Google, thank you and enjoy the rest of I/O.
Well, that's a wrap on the Google keynote. We've got much more I/O content coming up. So before you take a break or grab a snack, you'll want to make sure you're right back here in just a few minutes.
That's right. I'm Craig, and she's Chloe, and we'll be showing off I/O Flip, a classic card game with an AI twist. We released the game yesterday to show you what's possible with generative AI and other Google tools like Flutter, Firebase, and Google Cloud. So come see how the game is played, or play along with us at home. For now, check out our new I/O Flip game trailer.
I'm an engineer at Google, and I've been working on Project Starline for a little over a year. Project Starline's mission is to bring people together and make them feel present with each other, even if physically they're miles apart. Our earlier prototype relied on several cameras and sensors to produce a live 3D image of the remote person. In our new prototype, we have developed a breakthrough AI technique that learns to create a person's 3D likeness and image using only a few standard cameras.
I'm Melanie Lowe, and I'm the Global Workplace Design Lead here at Salesforce. You know, you were so used to seeing a two-dimensional little, box, and then we're connecting like this. And that feeling of being in front of a person is now replicated in Starline.
I'm more than happy to be part of the setup, so. I was kind of curious about the collaboration. I was like, is this possible? You felt like someone was right there. Thanks for having me. Yeah, of course.
The first meeting I had on Starline, I said, wow, you've got blue eyes. And this is a person I'd been meeting with for a year. Just to see a person in 3D, it was really astounding.
His smile was the same smile exactly how when I first met him.
Oh, Elaine is in Atlanta, but actually it feels like she's sitting in front of me.
Starline is really about the person you're talking to. All the technology sort of falls by the wayside.
Black woman in tech, no matter what, I'm black.
Think about all of the technologies that we use all the time and how few of them are designed from a headspace that considers an identity like mine, like Black people.
I provide material for Black artists to create authentic depictions of their own community.
You have to use your imagination. How do you build your own technology?
I want to challenge what people want and provide something new.
On closing the math gap in underserved communities. You talk about how do we get kids engaged, make it relevant, because it's really powerful when they see someone who looks like them reflected the very first time on their device.
Music was always part of our life.
When I work on my previous job, I injured my back.
During his rehabilitation, he started his long walks and he wanted to listen to music.
I started to develop Equalizer app, and this is the story.
The app allows you to have your own music experience, to hear the music you like the way you like.
I started my career as a historian. Game developer was never a plan, but then games came to my life and I started to combine history and entertainment to touch people's heart. Our first game, Arida, is influenced by a conflict that happened in Canudos, the backlands of Bahia in the 19th century. I think the game could be a good way to make this memorable for many generations.
You cannot imagine how liberated I feel, no longer being defined by my stutter. It was only when I realized that with the right tools, with the right training, stuttering is something that I could control of a particular model. Access to speech therapy is a global problem, but it's particularly acute in the developing countries.
Straight away, you realized we need to code this into an app, and then maybe we can help other people as well.
Hi, I'm Chloe.
And I'm Craig, and we're super excited to introduce you to IO Flip, a classic card game with a modern AI twist. Powered by Google, built for IO, and featuring a number of our favorite products.
We just released it yesterday, and a lot of you have already checked it out at flip.withgoogle.com. If you haven't, make sure you do. For now, we're here to give you a real-time demo and details about some of the tech we use, like Flutter, Firebase, and Google Cloud. You'll want to stay tuned for the developer keynote coming up after this to see how the game was made.
For this demo, Chloe and I, well, we happen to know the folks that made this game. Hey, Flip team. So we're able to play against each other just for today. And the winner gets to take home that trophy right over there.
Wow! I know the perfect place for that trophy.
Chloe, how do you know what my trophy case looks like?
Okay, so to get started on IO Flip, you get to build your own team, customizing your cards with classes and special powers along the way. And there are some extra bonuses that add to your strength, like holographic cards and elemental powers. More on those later. You win when your cards are more powerful than your opponent's cards. All right, Craig, we're gonna try this out on our new Pixel 7As right here. Are you ready to open a pack and start building our teams?
Let's do it. Let's play IO Flip.
Okay, first we're going to build an AI design pack of cards featuring some of our beloved Google characters, Dash, Sparky, Android, and Dino. Then we're going to assign them special powers and see what we get. Let's see, what do I want for my team? Ooh, I'm gonna go with Fairy because an army of pixies sounds like a crew that I wanna hang out with. And let's see, for my special power, I'm gonna choose breakdancing because nothing is more powerful than the power of dance.
All right, well, I've chosen Pirate as my class. And Chloe, you do know how to tell if someone's a pirate, right? Well, they're always talking about plunder. All right, so now I need a special power. Let's see, astrology. If only that had been astronomy, the pirates might have actually been able to use it. Let's see, breakdancing pirates. What is this, Pirates of Penzance? Oh, fake crying. That's good. Be careful, Chloe. My pirates are also good at emotional manipulation. They've never seen a guilt trip they wouldn't take.
Fake crying? Huh. I didn't realize that I had a superpower. We each get 12 cards in a pack, and from here we'll be able to swipe through and strategize and decide which 3 we think will be our strongest competitors. Those 3 become our teams, and they're the cards that will compete with our opponent's team.
Oh, here's a good description. Sparky the pirate fake cries to get out of trouble, but he always laughs it off. Pretty childish, Sparky, but also pretty good flavor text. Now, MakerSuite helped us prototype all of those prompts, and then the Palm API generated thousands of unique descriptions for all these cards.
And those animations are silky smooth with Flutter.
And what's even cooler is that because those animations are powered by code and not video assets, they're really flexible. And even more, because all of this is made in Flutter, we don't only have a web app here. We're most of the way toward a mobile app on Android and iOS as well.
And to give you a peek behind the scenes here, all the images were created with Google AI tools. We're committed to using AI responsibly here at Google. So we collaborated with artists to train our AI models, which then generated the thousands of images that you see in I/O Flip.
All the gameplay communication, like matchmaking and results, was easy to implement with Firestore. And with Cloud Run, we were able to deploy and scale our all Dart backend. That's right, I/O Flip is full stack Dart. Okay, Chloe, I think it's time to flip.
Okay, now this is a fast-paced game. Things happen pretty quickly, so pay attention.
Okay, we're in.
Okay, I've got my card. All right, fairies, let's break dance.
All right, pirates, yar.
Okay, moment of truth here.
The answer is... Yes. Oh! And your water elemental power further beating my fire, as if you even needed it. Okay, round 2, pressure's on. I think I've got a winner.
We'll see about that. Right into my trap.
Oh, these are real tears, Chloe.
That is my lowest card.
Ooh, this is for all the marbles.
I feel good about this one. I think I'm gonna get that trophy.
Me too. Oh, wait, fire's melting your metal, but not enough, Chloe. You've taken it. Well played, Chloe. I suppose if anyone deserved that trophy, other than me, it would be you.
Thanks, Craig. Once again, the power of dance prevails. Super fun, super easy to play. I love being able to customize my cards and characters, and I can play quick games if I'm short on time, or I can play again to extend my winning streak.
Want to play I/O Flip yourself? Go to flip.withgoogle.com to play on your laptop, desktop, or mobile device.
Thanks for hanging out with us and checking out I/O Flip. And you can learn more about the AI technology actually used to make the game and so much more coming up next in the developer keynote.
See you there.
Hmm.